Having the right tool for the job is not just practical, it's something that I find crucial, like having this set of Mastercraft insulated screwdrivers for electrical work. Insulated to VDE and GS standards, they are suitable for working with up to 1000 volt live circuits, while preventing injuries from electric shock. The insulation also prevents static from the user from damaging electrical components. They are available individually, but this set comes with a 2.5, 4 and 6.5mm flat screwdriver, as well as the number 1 and 2 Phillips screwdriver and an AC electrical tester for identifying live wires. The screwdrivers are designed with comfortable rubber handles and the size and the type of screwdriver printed on the top. Other features are hardened steel tips for a longer life and a cutout lanyard hole. Definitely a must-have when working with electricity. This is just one of the screwdriver sets available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.